Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? Yes, I can see everybody. You're excited this morning. It was good reason. Bitcoin is starting to make a little bit of a run, but will it continue throughout the day? So before we get started, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button because it helps us get past the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate that. A quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, an accountant, nor an attorney. The advice that I give is freely and of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings in their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right, gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. So head on over there now. You can actually own physical gold and silver. Go to our friends at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. And don't forget to use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y. If you spend more than $100, you will get a free half ounce of silver. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. And you guys know I have an alternative website where I post original content as well as other content that is banned from YouTube. It's $3 a month. All proceeds go to Finding Life's Purpose Foundation, and you have unlimited access. Be very careful of people out there trying to impersonate me. They're asking people to send them money. Don't fall for it. I will not ask you to go to WhatsApp, nor will I ask you to go to Telegram. And here's how you know if I'm the one responding to any of your comments. A person makes a comment. If I respond, you'll see a dark circle around my name. See that? From time to time, I will use material that is copywritten. Just so you know, I am exercising my fair use rights. And so I put this disclaimer on there just in case. So what is going on in the markets that everybody's excited about? Oh, I see. Bitcoin at $66,000 and $66,400. And so look at Ethereum's above the 4,000 mark. And it looks like cryptos are making a little bit of a move altogether. Let's hope it maintains that throughout the day. But like I said before, usually when Bitcoin runs, so does everybody else. What you're going to see happening, though, is people are going to start getting out these meme coins and jumping on to the main coins. Shiba's down. Velocity down. That's because everybody's taking their money out of there and running into these bigger crypto accounts. So they stop gambling with meme coins and start putting them into legitimate coins is what you're seeing. So 66,451 for Bitcoin. That is a new high. Real quick look at gold is now at $17.80 and silver above the $24 mark. If we look at silver hour by hour, you can see here that if we look at this part here and go up to where we are right here, on September 29th, it was $21.42. It is currently somewhere around where we at right now, 24 from 21. Silver seems to be climbing at a very healthy rate right now. That's a pretty good climb since September 29th. So at the end of September, going into the beginning of October, we're just talking about a little over 3 weeks, and it's already gained about $2.50. So let's get back into the cryptocurrencies, you guys. Just for those you are wondering and you want to buy cryptos as this is going up, this is the time. Right down below in the description are 2 links you can use to go buy cryptocurrencies. Go down, click them, and it'll take you to a platform where you could buy the cryptocurrencies. So last July, we started talking a lot about what Bitcoin was doing. There was a video that became really viral when this kid spotted the fact that Bitcoin was following the Wykoff chart, and it still is today. But this is funny. I thought this was interesting. Wykoff appears to be the flavor of the month. Look at this, is in July. Appears to be the flavor of the month at the moment. Over the years, I've noticed that most people all do one main thing in common, which is to assume that the accumulation will happen quicker than it actually does and ignore the size of the drawdown. Well, in this case, I agree. I thought we were going to have the accumulation stage for a couple years, but it looks like Bitcoin definitely is on a run again. So how close is Bitcoin actually following the Wykoff? How about we overlay the Bitcoin chart on top of the Wykoff? If you can learn to spot when a Wykoff event starts, you can make a ton of money. You just have to get in the habit of doing it. So how close is Bitcoin following the Wykoff chart? Here it is. So this here is the end of last year, beginning of this year. So let me show you how close Bitcoin is following the Wykoff chart. What you have here is, see this purple lines? This is the Wykoff. See this green and red? That is the actual market. Now it is green when it's positive, red when it's negative. That's why you see it turn colors. But call me crazy, is it not following the chart to the T? Whoever is controlling this chart, the last time they updated it, it looked like May 26th of 2021. That's the last time they updated this chart. So according to this chart, by today, according to the Wykoff, on October 20th, we should be somewhere around 69,600. How close is the Wykoff? Look at that. So this is what I'm talking about. If you can learn, and this is considered the accumulation. This is the accumulation stage. So if you can learn how to spot a Wykoff event, you can learn when to buy and sell just by studying the charts. There is a link that I'll leave down below where it teaches you a little bit about the Wykoff. I'm going to go through and read it in more detail. I just skimmed through it real quick to kind of get a general idea what's going on. But without a doubt, the Bitcoin is following the chart, and it has been since 2017. That's how accurate it's been. So this chart here, we'll use this from time to time to see how well it is working. So this is the chart already pre-laid out. See this? This is where the market really was. And you can see it follows it literally. And like I said, we're here in October 20th. We should be at $69,300 or so. Okay, so around $69,000 by the end of the day. Man, if that hits, that's going to be crazy. I thought I would share these graphs with you so you can get an idea. Look at this, 66,600. So it looks like the markets are all moving in the green together. 1780 again for gold. Silver is at 24.21 and climbing. We'll take it as long as it keeps going up slowly but surely. In other words, people are moving out of the markets and into what they consider safe havens. I don't think anybody trusts what's going on in the markets at all. So whether you think cryptocurrencies are a safe haven or not, we're going to find out. The cryptocurrencies have never had to really deal with the crash. No true crash. Remember, although it's been around since 2007 or so, or 8, right around the last major crash, it hasn't really had to deal with any other crash except for the drop off in March, and it responded along with the rest of the market. So hopefully those of you who have all your money is invested into cryptocurrencies, let's hope that that's not the trend. Every time the market crashes, so does the cryptocurrencies. And I know I always get these people go, well, don't forget, in 2008, gold dropped too. Yeah, but the recovery stage was much quicker. It took 3 years for the market to recover from its highest point before the crash to getting back to that high point after the crash. It took 3 years. 3 years to recover. For gold, it took 3 months and then set record highs. So gold and silver are always your safe bet. But I do understand if you want to diversify. Again, if you guys want to buy cryptocurrencies, the links are down below. Do it now. Will Bitcoin hit 69? I don't know about that. That's a $7,000 increase according to that chart. But the point is, it is following the chart. So if that's the case, let's see here. So Plan B said, what, 135,000 by the end of the year? We're at October. So the price is at around 66,000. That would have happened on, according to Wykoff, 2 days ago, but we'll see what happens. So in other words, Bitcoin should be running. It should continue to run between now and to the end of the year. Now, I want to throw out a warning again. The future on Bitcoin says that Bitcoin is going to be between $22,000 and $24,000. Can you imagine if this is anywhere near 100,000, the amount of money these people are going to lose? We're going to see how much power they have. So get it while the getting's good. Cryptocurrencies, links down below. Congratulations. Bitcoin on a new high. It's now at 66,800 and climbing. Let's see if this thing, so the Wykoff chart says it should be at $69,000 by the end of the day. I'm curious to see how close it gets. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? You let me know. We're already at almost 67,000. Will it hit 69 by the end of the day? Okay, that's it for now, you guys. Once again, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.